Quick question, how many AI subscriptions are you paying for right now? 3, 5, maybe even 10? Now imagine replacing most of them with a single platform. Sounds great, but that's exactly where a lot of AI companies overpromise. So when I looked into Abacus AI, I wasn't asking, does it have a lot of features? I wanted to know one thing, can it actually replace the tools you're already paying for? Because that's a completely different question. The first thing you'll notice is that Abacus AI isn't trying to be a one-trick tool. It's trying to be a complete AI workspace. You can build AI apps, work with different language models, generate content, automate tasks, and experiment with AI agents, all from one place. On paper, that's impressive, but here's what matters. More features don't automatically make a better product. If the interface is confusing or the workflow slows you down, those extra features don't help much. That's why I always think about the person using it. If you're a startup founder building internal AI tools or an agency managing multiple client projects, having everything in one dashboard could save you a lot of time. But if you're only using AI to write social media posts once or twice a week, you might never touch half of what's included. And that's okay. Here's something I recommend before switching your entire workflow. Don't cancel your current tools on day one. Instead, take one real project. Maybe it's a client task, maybe it's a marketing campaign, maybe it's a YouTube workflow. Now try doing that exact project inside Abacus AI. Time yourself. Did it actually make the job faster? Was the output good enough? Did you have to jump back to your old tools anyway? Those answers will tell you far more than any feature comparison. Because replacing your AI stack isn't about having more buttons. It's about reducing friction. Less switching, less copying and pasting, less wasting time. If Abacus AI can genuinely do that for your workflow, then yes, it has the potential to replace several separate tools. If not, it might simply become another subscription you forget you're paying for. So here's my take. Don't judge Abacus AI by the number of features on its homepage. Judge it by one simple question. Does it eliminate work or just move it somewhere else? That's the difference between an AI tool you'll use every day and one you'll uninstall next month. Now I'm curious. If Abacus AI could replace only one tool you're paying for today, which one would you want it to replace first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to see what everyone's current AI stack looks like.